Hi, this video is about the Caribou Mathematics Contest. I'm going to show the solution for the February 2015 Grade 11-12 Contest, question 16. So the question is, what is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? Knowing that AB and BC have the same length, the angle ABC is equal to the angle ADC, which is equal to 90 degrees. BE is perpendicular to AD, and the length of BE is 5. Alright, so in geometry problems, it is usually very helpful to draw at least one extra line or circle. Now, the key to solving this geometry problem is having the idea to draw a parallel line to ED, which goes through the point C. So let's draw this line. Alright, so this line is parallel to ED. Okay, and we know from the question BE is perpendicular to AD, so this is perpendicular to this, and we know that this line is parallel to this line, so therefore this angle must be a right angle. Okay, so let's look at this triangle. We know that the three angles in a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. And this angle is already 90 degrees. So therefore this angle and this angle, they must both add up to 90 degrees. And we also know that these two angles must add up to 90 degrees because that is a right angle. So therefore this little angle must be equal to this angle. Alright, so now these two triangles both have these two angles in common, and they also have these two angles in common. So therefore, this angle must be equal to this angle. And exactly for those reasons, these two triangles are similar to each other. Now, from the question, we know that AB and BC both have the same length. So this is equal to this. So they are both the hypotenuse of the triangle. So therefore, since they both have the same shape and size, these two triangles must be congruent to each other. Alright, so let's draw a parallel line to this, which goes through the point B. So let's draw that line. Okay, so we know that this line is parallel to this line, and now let's draw a line parallel to BE, which goes through the point C. Okay, so we know that this line is parallel to this line. Alright. Now we can see that if we were to flip this triangle up here, that would be the exact same. That would fill that space perfectly, because this here is a rectangle, because there are two pairs of parallel lines, so therefore this is equal to this. And that also means that this triangle here, since that's congruent to this triangle, if we were to put this triangle into here, that would fit that space perfectly. So therefore, we know that the area of the big shape must be equal to the area of this shape here. Alright, and now we know that this side is 5, and we can see that this line corresponds to this line for this triangle. So therefore, this line must also be 5, and since that is parallel to this line, that means ED must also be 5. So since this side is 5 and this side is 5, we are calculating the area of this square. So to find the area, we will just do 5 times 5, which is 25. If you'd like to know more about this contest, please feel free to visit our website at caribouttests.com.